Hello and welcome back to our hazard perception tutorial series. If you're preparing for the UK driving test, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the essential aspects of the hazard perception section. A hazard is anything on the road that could potentially require you to adjust your speed or direction. And recognizing these hazards promptly is crucial for scoring well. Now, let's get into some important tips. When you spot a developing hazard, it's crucial to click immediately twice. The first click should happen as soon as you recognize the hazard, and the second click should follow right after, without delay. It's important to avoid clicking too frequently, as that can invalidate your attempt. The key is to show that you're vigilant and aware, just like in real-world driving. Throughout this video, we'll help you understand how to stay alert, recognize hazards at the right moment, and ultimately maximize your score. Let's get started and boost your confidence on the road. Now that we've covered the essentials, let's dive into our clip of the day. At the beginning, everything seems normal. You're comfortably driving in your lane and an oncoming car is in the opposite lane. But then you spot rainwater on the road and the car ahead starts to swerve into your lane to avoid it. This creates a hazard that requires you to slow down or change direction. At that very moment, you click twice to indicate you've recognized the hazard. Later on, another car swerves into your lane for the same reason, and you'll click again, ensuring you're attentive without clicking too rapidly. By following these steps, you'll secure maximum marks. Let's take a closer look at the clip and see how it all unfolds. As we revisit the clip, let's break down what happened. At the start, everything was calm. You were driving in your lane, and there was an oncoming car in the opposite lane. When you noticed the rainwater on the road, the first car began to swerve into your lane to avoid it. This exact moment when the car first started to move into your lane was the perfect cue to click. By clicking at that exact time, you showed that you recognized the hazard right away, ensuring you secured maximum marks. Later, when another car swerved into your lane for the same reason, you could click again, but it wasn't necessary for additional marks since the initial hazard was already identified. The key point is that you clicked at the right moment when the first car swerved, demonstrating your attentiveness and guaranteeing a high score. This approach ensures that you're always vigilant and ready to respond at the perfect time. With that in mind, let's move on to our conclusion and wrap things up. As we wrap up, remember that vigilance is your greatest ally. Always stay aware of your surroundings, not just what's directly ahead, but the entire road environment. By staying attentive and clicking at the right moments, you'll not only maximize your score, but also become a safer driver. Practice and attentiveness are truly the keys to success. So to recap, always click twice when you identify a hazard, avoid repetitive clicking to ensure your attempt isn't invalidated, and always remain vigilant. Always stay aware of your surroundings, and with consistent practice, you'll be well prepared for your hazard perception test. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe, hit that bell icon, and give it a like so you never miss any updates. We'll see you again soon, and safe driving.